Ladies and gentlemen, based on now I would like to request our dignitaries, all the dignitaries, those who are present on the dais, to come inside the ground for the introduction with the players. Please, sir, our Honorable Deputy Chief, sir, Brigadier sir, DC sir, SP sir, Dr. Sangram Ramo sir, EM Sports, Dawesa Moro sir, and many others, all are requested to come inside the ground for the introduction with the players, as well as Ambe Somao Zengmi Mangarang Deputy Chief Sarko introduction lakunaini unaw bomkौ जोजेननानै थामहिनबा kick off खालामना होनो थाखाय our dignitaries Srijut Gabinda Basumutari sir, Brigadier GS Grewal sir, EM Dawesa Boro sir, Dr. Sitalguri Subdivision and Vergao Subdivision goes to Bismita Chaudhary, jersey number 6. And I would like to request our EM Dawesa Boro sir to present Bismita Chaudhary, the player of the match from the team Vergao Subdivision. Girls in red jersey. Thank you, sir. Now, may I invite the artillery brigade? Please collect the runners-up trophy. जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए यहाँ पे। बहुत कोशिशें की थी उदालपुरी द्वारा यहाँ पे, लेकिन बाद में कामयाब नहीं हो पाया। Thank you, thank you. Now, last but not the least, the winner team, Vergao Subdivision. And in this connection, I would like to request our Honorable Deputy GM Srijut Gabinda Basumutari sir to hand over the trophy to the Vergao Subdivision winner team.